A lot of people think AI replaces the owner because it thinks harder than the owner. Wrong. Usually it wins because it catches, sorts, and routes faster than the owner, like a really good front desk person who never misses the clipboard. Pause. Step 4. Build the handoff. This is where OpenClaw becomes a business tool instead of a toy. Once the agent gets the basic info, it should do one of three things: book the appointment, notify you with the lead summary, or hand the lead to a human for the next step. Pause. That handoff can be a text to you, an email, a Slack message, a calendar booking, a row in a sheet, whatever your current business already uses. Do not force your business to become a science project. Let the agent plug into the way you already work. Pause. Now let me show you what this looks like in plain English. Trigger. A missed call happens. OpenClaw wakes up. The agent sends a text within 1 minute. The customer replies, "Need a brake job on a 2015 Honda Accord. I am in Pasadena. Call after 3." The agent logs that summary. Then it sends you a message that says, "New lead, brake job, Honda Accord, Pasadena. Requested callback after 3."